DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Yo. What's good? Boy, Jambisco back with another banger reaction. You already know what time it is. I don't see what we are dealing with today, no man. After a little bit of a hiatus, after a little bit like a dog gone pan tour or a dog, I do some collabs with Chris Brown and me and thing. I've been gone for a little bit. Byron Messia. Yeah man, just drop a brand new banger upon them last night. You see me, I say around 12 o'clock. I was supposed to drop that for you last night, guys. Sorry, my bad. Damn, I haven't been on my shit lately. But I didn't get back on my shit, man. But yeah man, you dropped this last night. It's Byron Messia and Suarez. One of them, La. I want to go on, you see me? So, you know, everybody been anticipating Byron still and see if the dog can make another banger, another hit or whatever the dog do. But we're just here to enjoy the journey, so the dog do. So we'll check out the one and see what the dog deal with today and all the vibe much longer. Yo, before we jump in the video, make sure guys, yeah man, join the Discord, link in the description, fix and everything, sort out, ready to go. You see me? Become part of the family, man. You can send me video there, all that good stuff, man. But you know all the vibes today, you don't know what time it is. Byron Messia is on the chopping block right now. We're gonna check it out and see what the dog deal with. See if it's another banger for we. Yeah man, Byron Messia and Suarez, Lala. Let's get it, gang.
Yo, bang bang. Fully don't know, say man.
Hey, you drop a little snippet of this on IG, bro. And I was like, oh, you sure about the la thing? We want to see the rest of the video so that.
Them said they were ready to start. And you can't miss me killer them with a carrying hatch. Just get your flight figure down Trinidad. See I'm time me touch down me a feeling calm man. Just
okay, who matter about saying what we're ready to start? Who they matter about? I know at TJR what go on come take you down the situation. I matter about thing go on at Trinidad. What go on?
Just get your flight figure down Trinidad. See I'm time me touch down me a feeling calm man. Just think Mikey about 15 grand. So you know we have to pull up in a brand new.
Oh man is a producer. What go on? Oh man, we know gang.
What make you think say me race one down? Cause him put me in a millionaire position. Yo bandy so me knock it.
Man, so you mean me race one down, bro? I him put me in a millionaire position. You see me? I him change your life, change up thing, take out of poverty. You understand that? You see me?
Race one down. Cause him put me in a millionaire position. Yo bandy so me knock it. Any pussy violate and so me shot it. When the rifle and knock like Joe with that.
God, this body, you know the la little thing when post the other night. Can I show you but some bad?
So me knock it. Any pussy violate and so me shot it. When the rifle and knock like Joe with that kick. Mount of people are pass like great assist. When the J Caliph people dead from a stick man say that is it. That is it.
Boom. Easy man from yo, relax eh?
When the J Caliph people dead from a stick man say that is it. That is it.
That is it, Byron. Back on them with another bang to them, bro. Video hard too, you know, bro. Production pan this quality, me like. Yeah, we dog the England.
That is it, that is it. And I know the black hat like when matches flick. Yo, Panther, them fin woman dog. Them can't.
I know the blood cleat black hat like when matches flick. I want to
man. This is CTG cam. A60 when I link with facts. Send them home to them gods. Choco and not just like Wakodan. Yo, Puppy 6 tell me how I figure on. Link Tyson, the way 6 stand. No for them pussy can't go see them pals.
Easy no man, on to them. Blouse and skirt, dog go on no man.
Say they want smoke, so me give them a vape. Can't fuck with disease, you can't fuck with it. Fully mask up.
Man say they want smoke, so me give them a vape. Ah, yeah. That was smoke around there, that time I smoke with you.
Like we are buck in a place. And a decimal point when 7.6 to a shot in a face. Before COVID out, break the pussy, them been a lock in a place. God know how long me a
buck. Nah, they want war 7.6 to a shot in a face, bro. To them I talk about they want. All to them, but like a COVID and a lucky place, bro. Come
yes, before COVID out, break the pussy, them been a lock in a place. God know how long me a wait. Roll with the rubber grip of people get serious. So we catch them brawling in a the morning. Outside yawning, catch them dawning. Just shut them and then escape them charges.
Yeah, man, just a shot the man and next tape the charges. I'm paying no money enough now, you know, man. But any court case, you know, man. Yeah, man. But the song about that, the video and everything, bad.
Outside yarning, catch them dawning. Just shut them and then escape them charges. Ever have one up like sexy passes. The keys are free up like traffic warden when pedestrian passing. On a dark yard when the air are blasting. When the shark teeth them start let out no business.
Shark teeth then start let out. What? No business what? Who will lick? Who get bite? What go on?
On a dark yard when the air are blasting. When the shark teeth them start let out no business who can't swim.
Ooh, no business who can't swim. You know, when the sharks them out, bro. Yeah, see me no business who can't swim. I sing can't swim. Where I get?
When our man put the drink up and blood got repeat. Head a bust up in about 8 piece. No regular we bleach. Pussy them at this plant boy like seed. Mother hold her head on a blood got grief. Boy this sweet them know them no live long for see.
Ooh, nah live long for see another day, don't it? What you mean, man? Bring up Suarez, dog. Go on, where's Suarez from? Yeah, is it from England? Wagwan, me. Spanish country or something.
Boy, this sweet them know them no live long to see another day. Them dead boy. Hear them say they want ready for start. And you can't listen me killer them what they carry now.
Senegal.
Just get your flight figure down Trinidad. See them time it's
sorry, dog. Senegal. I don't think that's the Senegal flag and that's the St. Kitts flag and Jamaica flag.
Just down me a feeling calm man. Just think Mikey about 15 grand. So you know we have to pull up in a brand new van.
Yeah.
What make you think say me race one down? Cause him put me in a
millionaire position. That's right.
That's
right. That's right. You see me, be dog have to big up one dance and change dog life, man. You see me, I say?
Any pussy violate and also me shot it. When the rifle and knock like drove with a kick. Mount of people are pass like great assist. When the J Caliph people dead from a stick man say that is it.
You know, say enough dog they actually there today, man. I know see Swandan and Byron and I say, yo dog, can't wait for you know? Can't wait for them time dog. I see man them left and them life up right now, you see me? So hey.
That is it, and that is it. And I know the black hat like when matches play.
Hey.
Yo, Panther them fin woman dog. Them
City on fire.
CTG camp. Yeah, 60 when I link with fats.
Bala. Can't bring you CTG gang camp. You see me? You know the signal link with Friday dog set.
Send them home to them gods. Check one not just like Wakodan.
Send them home to the gods. You see me? Send them home to the maker man. On to them. Come in.
Send them home to them gods. Check one not just like Wakodan.
Oh, great. You can knock like Wakodan. Boom.
Six tell me how I figure one. Link Tyson. The way 6 down. So for them pussy can't go see them pals.
Oh, St. Paul that come from and say no if I say can't go St. Paul. La blows and scare. Yo, the preview that they show me about this song. Bad, what you mean, man? Kinda they have a feeling still say that goes through it, you know? That is it.
That is fucking it.
Oh, Buckley, that is support for him. I mean, that is it.
Yeah, man.
That is it.
Byron, a real G-Dog. A real artist like that.
Watch NHL games.
Voilà. Big up Byron. You see? Yeah, man. You see, you love the FA dog, man. Yeah, man, dog didn't think on the one, man. That was a real dope track. Enjoy that one. La. I'm told about it. Yeah, man. That he showed me off when he posted on IG. Man, dog, that no sound too harmonized, bro. No sound too melodic, boy, dog. Killed it. Dope video. Dope track. Lyrics. Flow. Melody, everything there. You see me? I say, and Suarez. Who's Suarez, man? Let me know who Suarez. Where is he from? Should we check out more from him check out more music from him? Let me know. He did something pretty good on the track. You see me? But yeah, man, big up Byron Messia out here making moves, man, doing his thing, bro. Good to see. Yeah, man, shoot the stars and beyond, dog. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know. Boy, Jambisco. Till next time, gang. Tell me know what y'all think about this, man. You see me? Did you like this song? Could Diane could have done better? Let me know. All your thoughts about the song, the track. If I like, go show that to some of support me. You know, so Jambisco dancing. You see me? Yeah, man, gang. You don't know. Boy, Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself. Each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
I wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy.